What up, guys? This is Ronnie again from English Hacked. In this video, we're gonna see what is the best for English learners. What should you employ? What should you use? Should you watch the news or should you watch music videos? The choice is yours, but as a teacher, I think you need both. Let's start with news. What do we find in news? Now, in news, we find the current affairs of the world. We find the real things that are happening around us, around our world, around the world we live in. Things from politics, climate, relationships, business, finance, money, education, health, name it. All topics, you can see them on your news. Use TV, the internet is full of news. And the English is the best. When it comes to news, you feel, you see, you'll enjoy, you'll see real, everyday English. And as a teacher, I advise you to start watching news. There are very many channels you can start watching news starting right now. I can recommend some. I can recommend the BBC. I can recommend CNN. I do recommend Sky News. For sports, ESPN, they have the best news. The Super Sport. News, if you watch the news, if you listen to the news, you listen, you feel the language, you'll enjoy, you will learn. You will learn idioms, you will learn the normal expressions people use every day, everywhere in the world. You learn accents around the globe, not only native accents, you learn world accents because the world is diverse. We have many cultures. People pronounce words differently. But if you watch the news, you listen to all these pronunciations. They make you limitless. You're not only limited just 2 accents or 3 accents. You know what I mean? It's a big thing. English is a big thing. When the British moved around the world, they met many people and they taught them this language. But some things can't change. You can't change some pronunciations. You can't change some accents. It's your identity. So when you watch the news, you respect this. Yeah. When you travel, you respect culture. But if you stay in one place, you won't see this diversity. Okay, you can try to drop your accent, but you can't change who you are. Yeah, accent is your identity. Anyway, that aside, what I'm saying that news will teach you a lot. You learn many topics. You'll be able to express yourself when you watch and listen to news. There are topics you can't learn from your country. There are topics that are beyond you, and you can only learn or see them when you expose yourself to the news. So don't say the media is, don't be, biased about the media. Use it as a tool to learn. Use it as a tool to improve yourself. Yeah. Build your knowledge. Expand your horizon. Yeah. Don't be in one place. Yeah. Don't be in one box. When you watch the news, your mind builds, your mind acquires a lot of things. You're training your mind to learn from outside, not only in one box. Okay, let's go to music. Yeah, music is good. I love music, man. Yeah, these musicians, the writers of music, the directors, the producers of music. I love, I feel music. I'm a musical guy. You know what I mean? Yeah. Music is on the top on the top list, you know. Yeah. Today we are doing music, watching music versus news. How how can you use music as a learner of English? Now, and what can you learn from music? Yes, you will learn how to speak. You will learn how words move together. You will learn collocations. You will learn phrasal verbs. You will learn idioms. You will acquire knowledge. You will acquire informal English. Informal English is the English we speak every day, the English we speak or we use on the street, the English you will speak with your friends. All this language, we learn it from music. Yeah, you got it right. Music gives us the lively language, you know, that fun we live, the happiness, the energy, the sorrow, all this we get from music. Music is language. And if you learn music, if you learn English, if you learn a language through music, trust me, you're killing, or you're killing two birds with one stone. You learn the culture, you learn the language. So music is my advice to you. Start watching music videos. Don't be, don't segregate, don't discriminate. This music is from this country, this music is from this country, this music is by this person. No, learn from everyone. That's my advice for you. Learn from everyone. Listen to hip hop, listen to pop music, listen to Jamaican music. I love Jamaican music because I want to be, I want to learn some Jamaican, Wagwan, what I'm saying, that's Jamaican. Learn, listen to, African American music, listen to British music, listen to Indian music. Listen to all those accents, all those pronunciations. Again, music shows you how the world, how we connected. I listen to all music, so when somebody speaks from me and is from India, I do understand. If somebody from China speaks to me in English, I do understand. From America, from UK, from everywhere in the world, I do understand their accents and I don't judge them. You see, that's the beauty of music. It connects us. We become one. When I listen to Turkish music, when I listen to Arabic music, I feel this. I understand because I know that accent through listening to their music. So, even if you know the right pronunciation, even if you know how to pronounce the words because you've gone to school, or you have a dictionary, or you've learned pronunciation, but when you listen to maybe Nigerian music, you'll be able to understand because your brain knows that accent. You know what I mean? Yeah, so music opens up your brain. Music is a key. Music is a language that connects to other languages. Music is culture. So when you watch music, you will improve yourself, and trust me, you won't have any issues. One other advantage I see from music videos is that you see the actions, you see the body language. Remember, when you are learning a language or when you're speaking, 70 to 80% of what we say is through body language. Now, when you see a love song, you see the setting, the environment is all romantic and it's about love. Now, when you see and when you listen, when you're watching, you're learning everything. You learn the music, you learn the body language, you learn the body movements, you learn the pronunciation, you learn the connections of words. How words move together, how words are connected in the English language. So all this you get when you listen and when you watch music. So use music to learn as you did with news. All these things you're using your eyes and using your audio, the ears. So the brain is amazing. The brain learns through audio, the ears, audio, and then the visual through the eyes. So when you add these two techniques, watching music and watching the news, you're killing two birds with one stone. You are enjoying and you are learning. You're expanding your horizon. You are increasing your vocabulary. Your database is growing. Your expressions are growing. Your culture, your mindset, everything is going up. You're changing who you are so that you can survive in this world. English is the future. And you did, or you made the right decision when you started learning English. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is Ronnie, your teacher. I'll be bringing you what you need because I know what you need for you to improve and move forward. Remember, I come from Uganda, a country where English is our official language. And I'll show you the tricks, what we use back home. And this has made me a teacher. Thank you for watching and stay tuned and hooked up to English Hacked as I bring you the best in the English industry. Hope these solutions helped you. News versus music. What would you go for? Tell me in the comments, what do you think is the best? Do you use music or do you use the news? Do you hate music? Is there any music you hate? What's your favorite music? Share with me in the comments below and I'll be back to you. Thank you for watching and peace. Take care and love ya.